Thank you for choosing Pretty Family Dealers for your new vehicle purchase. Today we're going to be learning how to set up your driver face recognition on the brand new CX-90. Now on this vehicle we're going to be using the Turbo S Premium level because that is going to have the face recognition feature on it. So let's hop in. So here we are in the CX-90. Now to start up the facial recognition process, we're going to use our command center down here and scroll down to the settings options. Once we are in settings, we're going to scroll all the way down to driver personalization system. Now once we are in this screen, we can hit the add new driver feature. And then once we do that, we're going to make sure that all these demands are met. Essentially, you just need to be parked, make sure the vehicle is on, and that there is nothing inside of the seats or around the seats or anything like that. So we're going to press OK, and then once we've pressed OK, we're going to select our approximate height. Once we've selected our approximate height, we're going to move anything that's going to be obstructing the camera's view of us. So any sort of hats, sunglasses, things like that, we're going to take off. Then we're going to press start once more. And then now once we've pressed start, we'll notice that the seat actually begins automatically adjusting for us. It's raising me up right now, moving the steering wheel and adjusting everything automatically for me. Now it says ideal driving position is where it is at. This is the recommended position. So we get the driver position adjustment screen after that. This is where you have a chance to adjust your mirrors, adjust the seat so it's a little bit more comfortable for you. I'm just going to make my mirrors move a little bit further away from the vehicle, as well as lean my seat back just a smidge. That way it'll save it how I like to sit. Once I've moved it and adjusted it all, I'm going to press save, and that is going to save it. Now we're going to do the facial recognition feature. Here you want to make sure nothing is in your way. The actual camera that it's going to be using is going to be this little guy right there on the top left corner of the screen. We're going to press OK, and then now I'm going to lower my phone, but the steps you're going to do is you're going to look at the left and right side of the mirror. So we're going to look at our right mirror first, and then we're going to look at our left mirror. And then in a second, it should understand where my face is at. It may be obscured right now because of the camera. I had to put the camera away for a second, but now it has successfully saved my facial ID. And so we can actually edit the name real quick. So I'm just gonna go edit it to my name super quickly. I'm gonna put in John, and that's gonna be scrolling through. I can hit the J and then the O. Oh, actually it gives you the quick settings. So we're going to go press John, and then we're going to be good with that, and we're going to scroll all the way down to that check mark right there, hit that check mark, and then we're going to hit save. Now once we've saved it, it's going to enable it. It's going to say, welcome John, this is your personal vehicle, how are you doing? And now every time I get into the car, it's actually going to recognize who I am. So we're going to cut the car off and come back and see if it works. So now hopping back into the vehicle, we're going to come sit down. I'm going to keep the camera low, but we're going to try and see if it recognizes my face. So now that I'm sitting here, it has adjusted my seat for me, and it says welcome John, and it has my profile there at the bottom. Now for the next step, I'm going to teach you how to delete someone if you need to delete someone. So you're going to go back down to settings, you're going to go back down to driver personalization system, and then once you're in this screen, you can actually go scroll all the way down to delete driver. This is where if you wanted to save your driving position, edit your driver position, add a new driver, or delete driver, we're just going to go to delete driver. We're going to click on my name, we're going to press delete, and that's how you can add or remove your own personalized face recognition seat profiles in the all new CX-90.